Today I am making one of the simplest Turkish salad, Çoban Salatası or shepherd salad. There is a beautiful story behind the name. Traditionally, shepherds would make this salad while they were out in the mountains. They didn't have a cutting board, so they simply cut the vegetables directly into a bowl. It is simple, colorful, delicious, and only takes a few minutes to make. Let's make it together. First, I am going to cut one tomato directly into the bowl. I am cutting it into small bite-sized pieces. Now, I am editing one cucumber. I am cutting it directly into the bowl as well. Next, I am editing half of a green pepper. I like to cut it into small pieces. Editing half of a small red onion. The onion gives the salad a wonderful flavor and a little bit crunch. Finally, I am editing fresh parsley. It makes the salad even more colorful and fresh. For the dressing, extra virgin olive oil, vinegar, fresh lemon juice, salt and black pepper. Let's get everything mixed together. Little bit sumac, here is my Çoban Salatası. It is fresh, simple and delicious.